Hey guys, in this video, we'll discuss some expert tips on how to keep your Android device safe in 2023. Keep your device updated with the latest security patches. One of the best ways to protect your device is by keeping it updated with the latest security patches. Android devices regularly receive security updates to protect against known vulnerabilities and attacks. Use a VPN to protect your internet traffic. Virtual private networks, VPNs, can help protect your internet traffic from prying eyes and hackers. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic and hides your IP address, making it difficult for anyone to intercept your data. Be cautious when downloading apps. Always download apps from the official Google Play Store or trusted third-party app stores. Avoid downloading apps from untrusted sources or clicking on suspicious links. Use biometric authentication methods. Many Android devices come with biometric authentication methods such as facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. These methods are more secure than traditional passwords and can help keep your device and data safe. Avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. Public Wi-Fi networks can be a security risk as they are often unsecured and may be compromised by attackers. If you must use public Wi-Fi, use a VPN to protect your internet traffic. By following these expert tips, you can help ensure your Android device stays safe and secure in 2023. Thanks for watching.